So, what's up, y'all? So, talking about water and water quality and different filtration systems, I wanted to bring Joy Parker on. She's a local Las Vegas water expert. She's the water expert for our community at the SHT, and but she works with people nationwide, worldwide.
Worldwide, yeah.
Where at? What other countries?
I would say we have customers across the world. We have customers in Belgium. We have customers in France. We have customers just across the United States, but we focus mainly on the United States for sure.
Yeah. So she can help you no matter where you're at. So,
no matter
how important is clean water?
It's everything, right? So water is your number one resource. That is the main thing I think people don't understand. They take that for granted, but water is your number one resource. And the bottom line is, if you don't filter your water, you are the filter, right?
Ooh, yeah.
So either you're filtering it, you're filtering it through a filtration system properly, or your body is filtering it, right? And your organs are absorbing all the contaminants in the water, which, can be very harmful to us. So it's very important.
Yeah. So if someone needs advice or help, picking a filtration system, buying one, installing it, do you offer any kind of services as far as that go? Or?
Yes, all of that. So we take a personal approach. We feel that water filtration is not a one size fits all. So we like to sit down. We like to talk with you and go over what your concerns are. We'll check your water quality. We have the ability to test water. So the water testing is really for well water most specifically, but I can test anybody's water, and it's a free service that we offer, and we'll sit down and we'll go over all the concerns that you have, and we'll put a system together specifically for you and your needs, basically.
But you told me earlier, if it's tap water, you already know the results are going to be bad.
Oh,
but
yes.
So it's worth
for
testing
city
well
water.
For
yes,
sure.
For city water, I can pull the water quality report, and of course I live in Vegas, so I'm very familiar with the water here. So that's very simple for me. But, I can also look through that report and scrutinize certain things for people. Like some people have specific concerns. They have specific contaminant concerns, and we can go over that.
Okay.
And some people have special situations. Like, for example, I have a customer recently, longtime customer, and she retired. So her husband bought an RV, and they're going to be traveling around the world. And she has chemical sensitivity. And she's like, I can't travel with him unless I have, filtration. So I built something. I put something together for them that fit in the RV with the specific type of filters and elements that she needed for the type of filtration. So she could go anywhere in the United States, and it would be filtered and chemically safe for her to drink. So I can build anything. I can put anything together.
Cool. Yeah. And she's a wealth of information. I've heard her service her customers, questions, comments, answers. It's like she's there 24/7. When you call, you actually talk to her usually, or
direct answer.
Yeah.
Yes, we have a direct answer. They don't go to voicemail. There's not an automated message service or that type of thing. We take care of you.
Yep. And then one other thing I wanted to point out, it's not just drinking water. Like, I love my shower filter.
Oh, yes. Well, shower filters are very important because people don't realize that chlorine is most harmful when you're bathing in it, when it becomes heated. When it's heated, it becomes a vapor. It's called trihalometane. It comes out of solution, and when you're breathing that in the shower, that is really when it's in its most harmful state. Cool. Is in the shower.
So a really good
you've got
place
to get
to start.
That out. Oh yeah, if you live in an apartment, right? You don't have access to the main water line. Anybody can put a shower filter in, right? We have countertop filters for dorm rooms. You can use them for apartments. We pretty much have everything from a shower filter to like the most elaborate whole house filtration system that you can imagine. Cool. We pretty much have everything.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much.
Thank you.
We're excited to offer this service. Y'all make sure that you reach out. We'll have links, phone number, email, everything that you need to contact Joy. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.